On the behalf of National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management under Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all on the video demonstration on processing of walnut under the capacity building component of PM-FME scheme. Walnut originates from an Old English word for Welsh nut. It is also known in different names, and Greeks called it as carrion, meaning head, because the shell resembles a human skull and the walnut kernel itself looks like a brain. Variety and types of walnut you can see in the pictures: black walnut, Persian walnut, and white or butter walnut. These are the common varieties of walnut grown in India. Most parts of the plant are utilized in one or another way, but the fruit and the timber has the maximum use. The important fruit of the India being exported to more than 40 countries, providing more than rupees 300 crore of foreign exchange annually. Uses of walnut. The immature fruits utilized in the production of pickles, chutneys, marmalades, pressed juice and syrups. And walnut oil for menstrual dysfunction, and walnut timber is used for carving, making furniture, etc. These are the reports of walnut production all over the world as per the FAO stat of United Nations. Walnut processing. Here you can see the processing step of walnut. First, harvesting. The nuts are mechanically shaken from the trees with the help of harvesting tools, and the second method is harvesting collection. That is, after harvesting, the nuts fall on the ground and picked up by the windrows. That is, mechanical collectors can be used. And the third processing step is drying. The picked up harvest transported to the hauler dryer, in which the green outer husk and the other material is being removed. The fourth step is washing. The walnuts were washed to remove the dirt and the other material. After washing, it goes to drying. The walnuts were dried to stable moisture around 8% by solar drying. Then it goes to the processor. Here the walnuts then received to the processor. And processor makes the walnut differentiate according to the walnut size, and then it goes for washing. So walnut can with wash and without shell, and with shell they can be done. Then the next step is grading. The sizing step, walnut pass through a punched hole drum that has different size holes in it, allowing different sized walnut to fall through the different bins. And walnuts then go through one last water wash to remove any last debris. Then walnuts visually hand sorted. The other step is filler. That is, it is packaged into sacks in the shell walnut. Then it goes for packaging in different weight and size. Finally, shipping. That is shipped to export markets. So grading can be done according to the walnut size. Hauling can be done mechanically by double cylinder, and blowing with the help of mechanical blowers, which is done by the removal of hull from the kernels. Then the selection can be categorized into sizes such as halves and pieces. And visual inspection of the product can be done by hand sorting also. And packed into sacks the walnut kernels, and the packed seal different weight and sizes also done. Here you can see the process method, like it is in the nursery, then it is matured into trees, then you can see the matured walnuts, it is collected and windrows is done, then finally harvesting. And after harvesting, it goes to the drying and washing outlet, and then it goes to the under drying methods, and then to the processor. So here you can see from the processor it can be done in two ways, like walnut in shell production line and walnut in shell production, unshell production line. So this is the walnut shell production line. First it goes to the processor, then it goes to the grading method, and then final inspection with the hand they can be done, and then it goes to the packaging, shipping, and to the markets. And here you can see the processor machine, then the hulling is done, visual inspection is also done, then it goes to the filler, that is packaging, then shipping and market. Till now what you have seen is the processing of walnut video under PMFME scheme under MOFPI in partnership with the state and union territories has launched an all India centrally sponsored scheme PMFME providing financial, technical and business support for the upgradation of existing microfood enterprises. For more details please visit our web links www.niftam.ac.in. Thank you.